Hi guys, I've been using this 5th generation iPad for a week now, and in this video I'll be giving you my thoughts on the experience. So let's get started. This iPad, known as the 5th generation iPad, came out in 2017. I actually bought this iPad a year later before upgrading to the Face ID iPad Pro in 2019. So after 1 week of use, is this iPad capable in 2022? Well, the short answer is no, and for the following reasons. The first is speed. Despite having the A9 chip with a 64-bit architecture, it is so incredibly slow. When opening up and switching between apps, it can be a frustrating experience. I've even tried reducing the motion in accessibility, but it didn't make a blinding difference. Next, the battery life. During a typical day, I've had to charge this iPad more than twice. It doesn't hold a decent charge anymore. Plus, it can get very hot to the touch. It may need a battery replacement very soon. The third reason is that it's no longer supported. Yes, for a 5-year-old iPad, Apple has stopped supporting it, which is outrageous, as iPhones and Macs of that same year are still supported to the best of my knowledge. This iPad is only supported up to iOS 16.1.1. God knows why Apple has killed this iPad off, but surely they must have a good reason for it. Cellular capability. Yes, this iPad supports 4G. Today it's a given that iPads are 5G supported. But in 2017 you would have had to pay extra for the privilege. I love the fact that you can take your iPad with you without having to rely on public Wi-Fi or data from your iPhone just to access the internet. You could simply pop in a SIM card and away you go. Today, 4G is terrible in terms of speed. I have an iPhone 13 with 5G, and even within some areas of my town, 5G isn't terribly reliable. On the plus side, it has a beautiful aluminium chassis, a 9.7 inch HD display, a 3.5 meter headphone jack, an 8 megapixel camera, and a home button with Touch ID. I don't know why, but I actually miss the home button, so having it back feels somewhat nostalgic. Thanks for watching, and as always, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.